You look a little tense.
I don't think the guy in front of me knows what he's doing.
If you keep a safe following distance, you'll feel more comfortable, that you're in control, so you can enjoy the drive.
Okay. How far should I be?
Try the 3-second rule. Pick out a mark on the road up ahead, like a sign or a guardrail. Wait for the car in front of you to cross, then count. 1001, 1002, 1003. If you get to 3 before you pass the mark, then there's usually enough room between you and the other car. The nice thing about the 3-second rule is it works at any speed. However, when visibility is poor or the road is wet, then increase the count to 4 or 5 seconds.
Oh, yes. Much better.